Milwaukee Personal Lighting is built to adapt, perform, and survive in the most demanding conditions. These USB rechargeable lights deliver all-day runtime and are powered by red lithium USB batteries that provide over 2,000 recharges over their lifetime. Featuring a 210-degree pivoting head and a magnetic base, the USB rechargeable folding floodlight will shine in any direction, with a max output of 550 lumens. In addition, the USB rechargeable pivoting work light offers another flexible option with a 110-degree pivoting head for high output for any task in any position. Designed to be worn on a hard hat, the USB rechargeable hard hat headlamp delivers high output that gives you the adaptability you need to light up any application, and secure attachment with hard hat clips and a silicone grip. For extreme output, the USB rechargeable compact flashlight provides 700 lumens of true view high-definition lighting and is built for the toughest conditions, featuring an IP67 rating for protection against dust and water. And finally, the USB rechargeable pocket floodlight is designed so you can stick it, clip it, or carry it for any application. A dual magnet clip provides adaptability, allowing you to mount this light almost anywhere. Milwaukee Personal Lighting delivers versatile, trade-focused performance in products that are built to adapt, perform, and survive in the most demanding conditions.